Managing depression and stress. Steps to take care of yourself. Let's start with a thought. Have you ever felt like your mind is so full? Like there's no space to breathe? Maybe stress from school, work, or life is weighing you down. And wondered, what's wrong with me? If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. Many of us feel this way. But here's something important. It's okay to talk about it. Depression and stress are more common than we think. And they don't make you weak. Today, I want to share some simple steps to help you feel better and take care of yourself. You don't need fancy tools or big changes, just a little effort and mindfulness to yourself. Number one, accept your feelings. The first step is to accept how you feel. It's okay not to be okay. Pretending everything is fine doesn't make the pain go away. It just makes it harder. Talk to someone you trust, a friend, family member, teacher, or a counselor. Sharing your feelings might feel scary, but it's like lifting a heavy weight off your shoulders. And number two, take care of your body. Your body and mind are connected. If one is tired or unhealthy, the other struggles too. So, ask yourself, are you getting enough sleep? Are you eating meals that give you energy? Like fruits and vegetables? Are you moving your body even just a little? Exercise doesn't have to be hard. It could be a short walk, dancing in your room, or stretching. These small actions can help your mind feel calmer and stronger. Number three, self-care. Practice self-care. Self-care doesn't mean you have to spend money or plan something big. It simply means taking time to do what makes you feel happy and peaceful. Maybe it's listening to your favorite songs, writing in a journal, or watching the sunset. Whatever it is, give yourself permission to pause and enjoy the moment. You deserve it. And number four, don't be afraid to ask for help. This is the most important step. Know that it's okay to ask for help, whether it's a talking to a trusted adult or reaching out to a counselor. Seeking help shows strength, not weakness. You are not alone. And there are people who want to support you. But here's the thing. Stress and sadness don't have to control your life. By accepting your feelings, caring for your body, practicing self-care, and asking for help when you need it, you can take steps toward a healthier and happier life. We can't do it alone. Let's look out for each other. Be kind, check on your friends, and remind the people around you that it's okay to speak up. Take one small step today, whether it's talking to someone, going for a walk, or simply saying, I deserve to feel better. Because you do. Together, we can face depression and stress and move toward to a brighter future. Thank you.